You may have heard that the Lagos state government will actually close the tunnel at Maryland, popularly known as Independence Tunnel. The reason for that is because during the rains, when it gets flooded, the road actually gets blocked by flooded water. The drainage still needs to be looked at. However, the current asphalt deteriorates and makes the road mostly impassable. So what the government is doing right now is to change the asphalt surface of the road to a concrete one using cement. You may have seen that happening on the new Apapa-Oshodi Expressway. That type of finishing on the road would last for a long time, and regardless of any rains, the road will still be usable. So what's going to happen is the tunnel itself will be closed to traffic from Tuesday, the 4th of May. Normally it would have been tomorrow, the 3rd Monday, but because of the public holiday, the workers will come on site, the road will be closed, the tunnel will be closed on Tuesday. This is now from Maryland towards Anthony direction only, not to the other side of Ikorodu Road. How does this affect motorists in Lagos? It means there will be delay. However, the total closure of that section of Independence Tunnel does not mean there would not be access for motorists to go from Ojota, Maryland to Anthony. How would that happen? Some traffic shall be diverted to do a contra flow on the opposite side of Ikorodu Road for them to use one lane for about 200 meters to go out and then come back into Ikorodu Road, away from the section that needs to be repaired. Most of the other traffic shall be diverted towards the ramp up into Maryland. We have removed the barrier that is at the top of Maryland to give that opportunity for traffic to go towards Anthony. Temporary traffic lights and LASTMA officers will be there to control that movement. Who are those that are likely to be affected as a result of this closure? There will be traffic going towards Onikpan, going towards Anthony, coming from Ojota and K2 area using Odoyalaro Bridge. Now you can have an alternative, right, to avoid that section of road where you can actually make your way towards Ikeja or going towards other routes that will take you away from Anthony. You can go towards Mobalaji Bank Anthony if you want to avoid, because you know there shall be delays. Alternatively, for those who are driving, you can choose to use the BRT. The BRT lane shall not be closed, so BRT buses will still be able to take advantage of the BRT lane. It is just other motorists that will be diverted. So if I were you, I would leave my car at home. I would try and use BRT buses to avoid that. Those that are coming from the Onikpanu side towards Maryland can also divert to use Anthony and Bagada. Those coming from motorways and 7-Up area can also use Bagada area and use Anthony to come down and join back on Ikorodu Road. Those are the people that are affected by this, and the duration of the work shall be for 4 weeks. And the contractor that is doing the work is Julius Berger. If you have any complaints about what is going on, you can call 0812 992 8550 for more information. But everything about the closure shall also be shared on Lagos Traffic Radio. Thank you very much.